everyone, my name is Muhammad Asfar. You can call me Asfar from Culinary Class 1 with ID number student is 240 20 760 1013. Today, I wanna make appetizer, main course, and dessert from Europe. Enjoy this video. The first step, put butter in a hot pan and mix. After that, add the flour. Add the milk and cheese. And mix. Next, dice the tomato and remove the seeds. Chop the celery. Pour the cheese sauce into the tortilla chips. Sprinkle with tomatoes and celery. The first step, boil water, then add the salt and oil. Add the macaroni. Boil the macaroni until perfectly cooked. Saute the garlic and onions. Add the butter. Add the flour and mix. Add the cheese. And the last step, add the macaroni and mix. The first step, make the coconut oil. Add the salt and vanilla. For that, cook until thick and don't forget to mix. Put the custard into a container. Put a jelly powder in container. Add the sugar, water. Cook until boiling and don't forget to mix. Mix the white eggs until it clumps. Okay, put the white eggs in the pan and mix. After cook, pour the into container.
A few moments later.
Thank you, everyone! Thank you, Elmar! Boom!